My day starts in the GitHub Copilot app, where I ask for a list of top issues and feedback we've actually gotten. And it looks like the app has surfaced 3 or 4 issues that we might want to take a look at. Coding agents are writing much of my code, and my new bottleneck is managing all of these coding agents. The app enables me to manage a team of agents, all while having deep integration with the GitHub platform. Now I can take each of these issues and go fire off parallel sessions to explore what might be going on. Each of these sessions is running in its own isolation. The changes in one agent session won't impact the changes in another session. I spent a lot of time in plan mode with the model on the right approach. I can refine this plan by asking the model some more questions. I can review all of the file diffs that the agent has changed in a particular turn. I can select a particular diff and I can ask for a change. I see that I have code review comments from Copilot and a failed CI check. Normally what I might do is copy and paste these things back in as prompts and say, please fix these things. But I'm going to use agent merge. So I'm just going to enable this toggle. And now the app is going to pull this PR and monitor it to make sure that all the code review comments that are valid are addressed, and that we actually go ahead and resolve these CI failures. Before tackling these 5 issues would have been my whole day. Now it was just a prompt to Copilot to go and create 5 sessions. I can spend a lot more time thinking about what should we build and how should we build it.